Look at that. Still snowing outside.
Not no more.
Yes, it is. It's still snowing. People across the street trying to... I don't know what the heck they over there doing.
Mommy.
But it ain't going to make no difference now because it's just going to get covered back up with the snow.
Mommy.
Nobody's on the roads.
And Mommy, I'm going to slide all the way down that hill with my skateboard.
You mean snowboard? Or
Yeah.
slide? I mean, yeah, whatever that thing is.
Snowboard.
Sled, yeah, whatever.
Mom, I had a sled. I can use my skateboard. I'm going to be flying out of that.
Look at all that snow, peoples. Look at that. The blizzard of 2016. Before that was 2010. I think it was 2000, 2001.
No, 2002.
2002. No, I think it was 2000, 2001.
No, 2002.
Then it was 96. Okay, Saquon says 2002. I don't know how he figures 2002. He wasn't even born in 2002.
Just like dead. That's not words.
You're born in your mind.
You have memories.
Stop stepping on my feet, please. Stop. That's why you're not going to go outside with your little bucket.
Okay, I will you.
Look at this, peoples. Look at that. Look at that. Drink it in, Washington, D.C. Drink it in. Get off my foot. Stop. Stop stepping on my corns, man.
And look at
Wash the toenails, kid. Get out of here. Come on, dude. Look at that. Look how much snow is on the porch, peoples. Like, look at that. Look at that. Come on, stop for a second. Move.
I can't. I want to get back on that side. Oh.
Saquon said, look at the mailbox. It's got a haircut. It looks like it's got a mohawk.
Yeah. Can I get the snow off here?
No, don't do that. I bet you it's nice and quiet outside because of the snow. It's structurally sound.
Okay, some of the...
What are they over there doing? What are they over there doing? And it's still snowing. Bunch of dummies.
Yeah.
Look at him. Look at him. Just look at him. Look at him. What is he doing? What are they doing? Lord, I think they're having fun in the snow. They're not doing no work. They're just trying to be funny. Look at him. Next thing you know, they're going to look at him. I bet you they on the field, on the grass, and in the dirt. They're not even on the daggone parking lot. Look at him. Just look at him. They don't even know where they're going. They're about to knock the poles down.
That's a big giant cup. I already know that mail truck. No, that
snowplow
mailbox.
truck.
That mailbox had no mailbox head cut and head cut.
Where'd they go? Did they disappear? No, there they go.
It's because of this tree right here. This was fog, then the trees. No, it's not fog. Mommy, stop taking a picture and give me some cereal.
Okay, over and out. Be back in a little bit.
So